The Oppo Reno 13 5G has arrived, promising cutting-edge features, a sleek design, and impressive performance. With a focus on photography, AI enhancements, and fast charging, this mid-range device aims to compete with flagship models. Let's take a detailed look at the unboxing, experience, and explore everything this phone has to offer, from its design, display, and performance to its camera, battery life, and software. As soon as you unbox the Oppo Reno 13 5G, it becomes clear that Oppo has put thought into presentation and accessories. What's inside the box? Oppo Reno 13 5G, wrapped in protective film. 80W SuperVOOC fast charger, a rare inclusion these days. USB-C charging cable. Transparent silicone case to protect the beautiful design. SIM ejector tool. Quick start guide and warranty card. The inclusion of a fast charger and protective case is a nice touch, especially in an era where many brands are removing accessories from the box. One of the standout features of the Reno 13 5G is its stunning design. Material: a glass back with a unique plume texture, creating a mesmerizing butterfly shadow effect under light. Colors: available in plume white and luminous blue, both exuding elegance. Feel: at just 7.24mm thin and 181G, the phone feels lightweight, yet premium in hand. Durability: certified with an IP69 rating, meaning dust-proof, waterproof, and even capable of underwater photography. Oppo has managed to create a phone that looks and feels premium, rivaling even high-end flagships. Display: size and type: 6.59-inch AMOLED panel. Resolution: 12x56, x 2760 pixels. Crisp and sharp visuals. Refresh rate: 120 Hz. Buttery smooth scrolling and gaming. Brightness: 1200. Nits peak brightness. Excellent outdoor visibility. Colors: 10-bit color depth for vivid, lifelike images. The display quality is stunning, making it ideal for watching videos, gaming, and general usage. The high refresh rate ensures a silky smooth experience, while the AMOLED panel delivers deep blacks and vibrant colors. Audio: dual stereo speakers, AI-enhanced sound tuning, Dolby Atmos support. The speakers are loud and clear, providing a rich audio experience whether you're watching movies, gaming, or listening to music. Hardware: processor, MediaTek Dimensity, 8350, efficient and powerful. RAM: up to 12GB LPDDR5X. Storage: 256GB C 512GB UFS 3.1. The Dimensity 8350 chipset ensures fast and smooth performance, whether you're gaming, multitasking, or using demanding apps. Paired with up to 12GB RAM, the phone can handle anything you throw at it. Software: operating system, ColorOS 15, based on Android 15. AI features: AI Writer, helps summarize long text documents. AI Recording Summary, converts voice recordings into text notes. AI Night Mode, enhances low-light photography. The software experience is fluid and intuitive, with AI-powered features that enhance productivity and usability. Rear cameras: 50MP main sensor, OIS, captures stunningly detailed shots. 8MP ultra-wide lens expands your field of view. 2MP monochrome sensor enhances depth and contrast. Front camera: 50MP selfie camera. AF, sharp, detailed selfies with AI beauty mode. Camera features: AI Live Photo, creates motion-enhanced photos. AI Clarity Enhancer, boosts detail and sharpness. AI Night Portrait, captures beautiful low-light portraits. Underwater mode: thanks to the IP69 rating, you can take photos while submerged in water. The camera performance is top-notch, making it one of the best mid-range camera phones available. Battery and charging: never run out of power. Battery: 5600 mAh, all-day battery life. Charging 80W. SuperVOOC fast charging. Charging time 0% to 100% in about 40 minutes. With its large battery and super-fast charging, the Reno 13 5G is perfect for power users who need a phone that lasts all day. Gaming and performance test. A gamer's perspective. PUBG Mobile, smooth gameplay at 90 FPS. Genshin Impact. High settings, no noticeable lag. Call of Duty Mobile, stable frame rates, no heating issues. With its powerful chipset and optimized software, the Reno 13 5G is a great choice for mobile gaming. Pros and cons. The final verdict. Pros. Stunning design with a unique butterfly texture. IP69 rating. Dustproof, waterproof, underwater photography. 120 Hz AMOLED display with vibrant colors. Powerful performance. Dimensity 8350 plus 12 GB RAM. Excellent camera system. 50 with AI enhancements. Super fast 80W. Charging with a massive battery. AI-powered software for enhanced user experience. Cons? No wireless charging. No official IP rating for saltwater protection. Some pre-installed apps can be removed. Final thoughts. Should you buy the Oppo Reno 13 5G? The Oppo Reno 13 5G is an exceptional smartphone that offers flagship-level features at a mid-range price. For photographers, the 50mm AI-enhanced cameras deliver amazing photos in any lighting condition. For gamers, the Dimensity 8350 chipset ensures buttery smooth gameplay. For professionals, AI-powered features like AI Writer and AI Recording Summary boost productivity. For casual users, superb display, long battery life, and fast charging make it a joy to use. If you want a stylish, powerful, and camera-centric smartphone, the Oppo Reno 13 5G is an easy recommendation.